Welcome back to Simple English Daily. I'm Kate.
And I'm Michael. And today, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in English.
So the next time you meet someone new, you'll know exactly what to say with a big smile.
We'll go through it step by step. How to say your name, where you're from, where you live, your job, and your hobbies.
Real, friendly sentences you can use today, like my name is, I'm from, and nice to meet you.
And don't worry, it's easy. We speak slowly, so just repeat the sentences out loud with us.
That's how you really remember them. Say them out loud again and again.
And this is so useful in real life. At work, at school, at a party, anywhere you meet new people.
Stay with us to the end, and we'll put it all together. You'll introduce yourself to a new person all by yourself.
If that sounds good, please tap like and subscribe. It helps us make more free lessons for you.
Okay, Michael, let's learn to say hello.
Let's do it.
So, Michael, an introduction always starts with a greeting.
A greeting, like hello?
Exactly. Hello is perfect. It's polite and friendly.
And I can say hi, too, right? For friends.
Yes, hi is a little more relaxed. Hello is good for everyone.
And in the morning, I can say good morning.
Perfect. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. All lovely greetings.
So many nice ways to say hello.
And here's a small tip. Always smile when you say hello.
A smile. Yes, it makes people feel welcome.
And after hello, people often ask, how are you?
Oh, yes. And I say, I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Perfect. I'm fine, thank you. Or, I'm good, thanks. A friendly start. Exactly. A smile and a hello is a wonderful start.
Okay. Hello, everyone. I'm practicing.
Perfect. Now, after hello, what comes next?
My name.
So, Michael, how do you tell someone your name?
I say, my name is Michael.
Perfect. My name is Michael. That's very clear.
And I can also say, I'm Michael, right?
Yes, I'm Michael is a little shorter and more relaxed. Both are great.
My name is Michael. I'm Michael. Easy.
And sometimes people have a long name or a nickname. A nickname? What's that? A nickname is a short, friendly name. For example, William becomes Will.
Ah, I see. So you can say, my name is William, but you can call me Will.
Exactly. You can call me Will. That's a very useful phrase.
You can call me. Nice. So people know the easy name to use.
And sometimes people don't hear your name, so they ask, sorry, how do you spell that?
How do you spell that? So I say the letters. M-I-C-H-A-E-L.
Perfect. Spelling your name is very useful, especially on the phone. Perfect. Now, one more important thing. When you meet someone, you ask their name too.
Oh, yes. How do I ask?
You say, what's your name?
What's your name? Simple. And they tell me.
Exactly. So it's like a little exchange. You tell your name and you ask their name.
My name is Michael. What's your name? A real conversation.
You've got it. So, Michael, after you learn someone's name, there's a special polite phrase.
Ooh, tell me.
You say, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. That's so friendly.
It is. You say it when you meet someone for the first time.
And what does the other person say?
They say, nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you too. So we both say it. So polite.
Exactly. Let's try it. Michael, my name is Kate. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, Kate. Perfect. See, you did it. It feels natural, right?
It does. Nice to meet you. I love that phrase.
It's one of the most useful phrases in English. Remember it. Okay, Michael, now we can tell people more about ourselves, like where we come from.
Ah, my country. How do I say that?
You say, I'm from, and then your country or your city.
So I'm from Brazil. Or I'm from Vietnam.
Exactly. I'm from Brazil. Or you can say a city. I'm from Tokyo.
I'm from Tokyo. Nice and simple. And how do I ask the other person?
You ask, where are you from?
Where are you from? And they tell me their country.
Exactly. Let's practice. Michael, where are you from?
I'm from a small town near the mountains. What about you, Kate?
Oh, lovely. I'm from a city by the sea.
A city by the sea. That sounds beautiful.
It is. And see, we just shared where we're from. It's easy.
And can I say my nationality too?
Yes. For example, I'm Brazilian. I'm Japanese. I'm Italian.
I'm Brazilian. So that's the word for my country's people.
Exactly. I'm from Brazil. I'm Brazilian. Both are lovely.
I'm from, and where are you from?
2 easy sentences.
Perfect. And people love this question. Everyone likes to talk about their home.
That's true. It's a warm, friendly question.
Now, Michael, where you're from and where you live can be different.
Oh, how?
Well, maybe you're from one country, but now you live in another city.
Ah, I see. So how do I say where I live now?
You say, I live in, and then the city.
I live in London. I live in Paris.
Exactly. I'm from Italy, but I live in New York.
Oh, nice. So I can say both, where I'm from and where I live now.
Perfect. And you ask, where do you live?
Where do you live? Got it. I'm from and I live in.
You're learning so fast, Michael.
Thank you. These sentences are simple, but so useful.
Okay, Michael, here's a very common question. People often ask, what do you do?
What do you do? Do they mean right now?
Ah, good question. No. What do you do means, what is your job?
Oh, so they want to know my work.
Exactly. And you answer with, I'm a, and then your job.
So, I'm a teacher. I'm a doctor. I'm a nurse.
Perfect. I'm a teacher. Very clear.
And what if I work in an office?
You can say, I work in an office, or I'm an office worker.
I work in. Nice. So I can say the place too.
Exactly. I work in a hospital, I work in a shop, I work in a school.
And what if someone is a student?
Then they say, I'm a student. And you can ask, what do you study?
I'm a student. What do you study? Oh, useful for young people.
Very. And what if a person doesn't work right now?
What do they say?
They can say, I'm looking for a job, or I'm retired for older people.
I'm retired. So they finished work. They relax now.
Exactly. So I'm a teacher. I work in an office. I'm a student. Choose the one for you.
And I ask back, what do you do?
Perfect. Now you can talk about your job.
And if my job is hard to explain?
Just keep it simple. You can say, I work with computers, or I work with people.
I work with computers. Simple and clear. I like that.
Now, Michael, sometimes we talk about our family too.
Oh, I love my family. How do I talk about them?
You can say, I have a. For example, I have a sister.
I have a sister. I have 2 brothers.
Exactly. And if you're married, you say, I'm married.
And if not?
You say, I'm single. Both are fine, of course.
I'm married. I'm single. Simple. And children?
You say, I have 2 children, or I don't have any children.
I have 2 children, so I can tell people about my family. Nice.
Exactly. But remember, you don't need to share everything, just what you're happy to say.
That's a good tip. Share what feels comfortable.
And Michael, my favorite part of an introduction, hobbies.
Yes, the fun things we do. How do I talk about them?
You say, I like. For example, I like reading, or I like football.
I like cooking. I like music.
Perfect. Or you can say, in my free time, I play the guitar.
In my free time. Ooh, that's a nice phrase.
It is. In my free time, I like to travel. In my free time, I watch films.
And I ask back, what do you like to do?
Exactly. And this is a great question. People love to talk about their hobbies.
So we can be friends. We find the same hobbies.
Yes, hobbies bring people together. It's the best part.
And I can say what I don't like too, right?
Yes, I don't really like cooking. That's fine and honest.
Good. So I share what I like and what I don't like.
Now, Michael, here's the secret to a good introduction.
Ooh, a secret? Tell me.
Always ask questions back. Don't just talk about yourself.
Ah, that's kind. So it's a two-way conversation.
Exactly. After you answer, you say, and you? Or what about you?
And you? So short and easy.
Yes, I'm from Spain. And you? I like music. What about you?
So the other person can talk too. It's polite and friendly.
Exactly. A good conversation goes back and forth, like a little ball.
Back and forth. I love that. So we both share.
Okay, Michael, let's put it all together. We're at a party, and we don't know each other. Ready?
Ooh, I'm ready. Let's meet for the first time.
Hello. I don't think we've met. I'm Kate.
Hi, Kate. My name is Michael. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Michael. So, where are you from?
I'm from Brazil, but I live in London now. And you?
Oh, wonderful. I'm from London, actually. So, what do you do, Michael?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a writer. Do you enjoy teaching?
I love it. I teach children. And in my free time, I play football.
Football. That's great. I like football too.
No way. Maybe we can watch a game sometime.
I'd love that. And scene. Michael, that was perfect.
Thank you. It felt so natural.
It was. Did you hear? You used everything. Your name, nice to meet you, where you're from, your job, and your hobby.
I did. A whole introduction, and we became friends.
Exactly. That's the magic of a good introduction. Well, Michael, now you can introduce yourself to anyone in English.
I can. Hello, my name is Michael. I'm from Brazil. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. And remember, speak slowly, smile, and ask questions back. Smile and ask questions back. Got it.
And don't worry about mistakes. Just try. People are very kind.
Just try. That's the most important thing. Thank you all so much for practicing with us today.
Yes, thank you. And now it's your turn. In the comments, introduce yourself in English.
Yes, tell us your name, where you're from, and one hobby. We would love to meet you.
We read every comment, and writing your introduction is great practice.
So please subscribe so you don't miss the next episode.
And share this with a friend who is learning English. So until next time, keep practicing.
And have a wonderful day. Bye for now, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.